President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H Pala uloong ba Dr Mukul kanu ka jingwet hynrei udon ka daw ya ka AICC. Habakran siklar pathai kebor hadin ke jelang ke Pradesh Election Committee hawin de mersilong uba Pala ulai thu bulai keren bo Dr Mukul uba loong ba sungutunat kom thung President wala da de yo ba Pala ne yanui nuru. Uloong ba Dr Mukul sangma unle chadali hadin ke jingkhot ka AICC banyak keren ni kita kimat kibapun wit yo.
To address all these issues, and even I was talking to Dr Mukul now also. He said that Delhi has called him. What I talked to Dr Mukul is that it has nothing to be against me, because Dr Mukul told me that the way they appoint the president, be it me but anybody, it should have been consulted with the CLP or the senior leaders in the party. So personally, there's nothing with me and him, or there's nothing to be done much. But I think Dr Mukul said that the ICC did not consult him. So nothing to do with me. I have not even taken any decision. There's no such a decision which I've taken against be it MLA or Dr Mukul, anybody. So what I discussed with him about these issues, I think it has to do with the ICC, nothing to do with me.